Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cannoli dough updated. Begin by sifting flour, salt, and sugar into a bowl, then cut cold butter into pea-sized pieces and toss quickly. Add a cold egg and marsala or sweet wine, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Add 1 tablespoon ice water at a time if needed. Chill for at least 1 hour, then roll thin and fry until crisp. Keep dough texture forgiving and focus on temperature control to prevent toughness. If dough cracks when rolling, let it rest an extra 15 minutes wrapped and room temperature slightly warmer. For too soft dough, add 1 tablespoon flour at a time and chill again. For overly dry dough, brush edges with water and knead gently. Use a 3-5-inch cutter for uniform shells and test one first to adjust frying time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: grab the new Kindle Paperwhite to read recipes and pastry guides anywhere, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It fits in a chef's pocket and keeps flour off pages, which I appreciate. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Fillings should be chilled and thick to avoid soggy shells. Sweet ricotta needs draining overnight or pressing through cheesecloth for at least 1/4 volume reduction, then sweeten to taste with powdered sugar and orange zest. Pipe filling just before serving and lightly dust with cocoa or pistachios to finish. Refrigerate unused filled shells and consume within 24 hours for best texture and safety. Freeze unfilled shells for up to 1 month and reheat briefly before filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.